10 interviews in the oil and gas industry, presented to you by EPIUS and EnergyAsia.
Aker Solutions Malaysia serves as the headquarters for the Asia Pacific region. What does your company do and why was Malaysia chosen as the HQ?
What we do, we are involved in subsea manufacturing, but we are also involved in engineering. We have an engineering office in Kuala Lumpur with 250 people, and here on this side we are employing 500 people to do manufacturing of subsea equipment, drilling risers, but also other steel and modules.
Why was Malaysia chosen as the HQ?
Oh, that's a good question, but several reasons. First of all, there is a home market here. Malaysia is very promising when it comes to deep water oil and gas fields in the future. So basically we see that as a very important thing, that you also have a home market where you have your headquarters. But also we were established here before we kind of increased the activities, like you see here today. People speak English here, which is very important in our industry. So it's easy to recruit, plus you have a very well educated population to recruit from. So I think that's several reasons why we selected Malaysia.
Aker Solutions has established its manufacturing facility in Klang Free Zone. Can you tell us more about this manufacturing center? When was it set up, the investment cost and the objective of this facility?
Basically, we invested here $100 million to set this up. We started production gradually Q1 2007, and the opening ceremony was June 2007. So basically we have been in operation for less than 2 years.
And the objective of this facility?
Objective is basically, as you see, to manufacture subsea equipment, drilling riser, and also subsea manifolds.
What markets do you serve and what is the geographical area of service?
Our main market is definitely Asia Pacific, but we are also serving our projects in Africa and Gulf of Mexico.
So the equipment manufactured here will go to these places?
Yes, it will go to India, it will go to Indonesia, Malaysia, Australia, US, Gulf of Mexico, and Angola, Nigeria.
Aker Solutions was recently awarded a supply contract by Sarawak Shell Berhad. What is the scope of work and how long is this agreement valid for?
This is a frame agreement. It's a 5-year frame agreement, and it's for supply of subsea equipment. So it will basically be equipment we are manufacturing here on this site.
Well, what is the value of this contract and what is the biggest contract you've been awarded so far?
I don't have numbers for you, but the biggest job we have delivered in terms of trees are Reliance, where we have delivered close to 20 Christmas trees from here and more than 10 subsea manifolds.
Earlier in the year, you were also awarded a contract by offshore drilling company Edward Oceanics. What services will Aker Solutions be providing to Edward? What is the value of this contract and the completion of this project?
This is contracts to deliver drilling risers. So we are delivering 2 drilling risers to Edward. And again, contract value you have to ask Astrid. Okay, 50 million US, sorry. No.
And when will this project be completed?
Towards the second half of next year.
All right, thank you. Oil has fallen below US $50 a barrel. How is this affecting your company's outlook? Do you see a cutback in demand?
Basically, the backlog we have is the backlog we have, and we are seeing very little impact on what's going on for the time being. What we expect is that some oil companies are revisiting their project portfolio, and we may see some delays, and maybe 1 or 2 projects being cancelled because it's underneath what we call economical attractive for the oil company. But the long-term picture, we don't see much difference. Maybe short-term, a little bit of delay.
Okay. Last question. How is the world financial crisis affecting Aker Solutions?
Apart from our share prices going down with all the other share prices around the world, not very much for the time being. As I told you, we have a lot of backlog. We maybe see some late order intake, but that's all for the time being.
Okay. Which is worse, financial crisis or weak oil prices?
Good question. I think both is affecting us, but the oil price is more important for us than the financial crisis. Because if the oil price goes down, we see less projects. And we are mainly delivering to projects, so I think oil price is more important than the financial crisis.
All right. Well, thank you, Mr. Aker.
Thank you very much.